How to send a PNG file on WhatsApp without losing its quality or transparency. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up WhatsApp application and just like that, sign in to your account. Once signed in, go to the chat where you want to send the PNG file. After that, simply tap on this plus icon and now select document. Now choose photo or video or simply tap on choose from files and just like that, select the PNG image you want to send. If the image has transparent background, the PNG format will remain intact when sent as a document. Once you've done that, simply tap on open, then simply tap on send. The PNG will be delivered without compression, helping preserve its original quality and transparency. To verify it, you can simply tap on open to open the sent file and check that it is still labeled as PNG file. That's it. You have successfully sent a PNG file on WhatsApp without losing quality. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.